तो आज हम बात करेंगे कि हमें क्या खाना चाहिए, कब खाना चाहिए, कितना खाना चाहिए, क्यों खाना चाहिए।
Like if you get a proper nutrition guidance, you can just deal with all the diseases.
सो जब आपके हिसाब से लोगों को आप जब डाइट प्लान देते हैं तो लोग फेल कहाँ हो जाते हैं?
It's not a small remedy or a very it's not a magic wand which was just gumaya and everything is possible.
टिप और something you would give them कि just ये कर लो, this is your breakfast, ये कर लो, at least you will get the supplement that you require.
For that, it's a good smoothie that is best for the kids. Add some dates, add some fruits, add some almonds.
इस डायबिटिक्स जो आप करते हो, is it completely reversible or it's not reversible?
That depends like which type of diabetes you have.
And one health tip that fits one and all.
Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate.
वेलकम टू अनफिल्टर्ड ज्ञान विद टीना, जहाँ बातें होती है रॉ, अनफिल्टर्ड, क्रेज़ी लेकिन पूरी दिल से। तो आज हम बात करेंगे कि हमें क्या खाना चाहिए, कब खाना चाहिए, कितना खाना चाहिए, क्यों खाना चाहिए। तो जो आज हमारे गेस्ट है वो एक डाइटिशियन है, न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट है, निहारिका, जो ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट पेशेंट एंड स्पोर्ट्स न्यूट्रिशन भी है, एंड शी इज़ अ लाइफस्टाइल कोच ऑल्सो। शी हैज़ वर्कड विद इंडियन एयरफोर्स। सो वेलकम निहारिका टू आवर शो एंड कुछ बताएं अपने बारे में। यू हैव बीन इन दिस वर्क फ्रॉम लास्ट 20+ years. सो कैसे शुरुआत हुई?
Yeah, thank you, Tina, for inviting on your podcast. And if I talk about my journey, it just started with a simple interest, and धीरे धीरे वो career बन गया. I have grown up in a medical family, so I was very early exposed to health, fitness, as well as the impact of nutrition. मैंने कई बार, my father is a doctor, and मैंने उन्हें कई बार देखा था एडवाइस करते हुए पेशेंट्स को कि what food and about fitness. So that developed the curiosity. Let's study deep into this.
सो आपने कैसे सिलेक्ट किया कि न्यूट्रिशन इज़ माई लाइन? जैसे आपने बताया डॉक्टर की फैमिली से है आप, लाइक यू हैव डॉक्टर्स इन योर फैमिली. सो व्हाई डिड यू थिंक कि दिस इज़ द थिंग दैट आई वांट टू डू, एंड व्हाट वाज अ टर्निंग पॉइंट फॉर यू?
Nutrition, it's always fascinated me. I always used to think how a food can impact you. Do you know that whatever food choices we make in our daily life, it impacts your energy levels, your immunity, your overall health and well-being. So that's the thing that when I thought this in deep, I thought that this is the right profession to choose. And if I talk about the turning point, still on many people are unaware about what to eat, how a simple change can impact your health. And it is like if you get a proper nutrition guidance, you can just deal with all the diseases.
So Niharika, you have also worked with Indian Air Force. How was it? What is it different there than the common, जो हम जो करते हैं, जो हम जो खाते हैं? What is different with them? How are they different than us?
Yeah, I was associated with Indian Air Force, and it was very good working with them. They have a regular medical checkup, so I used to do the consult. I was as a consulting dietitian, and they eat as what we eat is quite similar. Even everything is like what we eat. Nothing very special diet, but yeah, everything is according to their performance, their goals, which we did.
So आज आप स्कूल्स में भी न्यूट्रिशन प्लान्स देते हैं, कॉर्पोरेट्स में भी देते हैं, यू आर इन वेरियस क्लब्स ऑल्सो, हॉस्पिटल्स ऑल्सो. सो व्हाट्स योर रोल देयर?
If I talk about hospitals, and everywhere is a different role. We deal with a different patients. Like in hospital, we deal with patients. If I talk about the school, we do the menu planning, the calorie counting, everything is there. In wellness center, I have deal with the patients with the weight loss. So I worked in each and every field.
It's 20+ years for you, right? So it's a long journey.
Right.
So जब लोग आपके पास आते हैं कि I want this so and so plan, ये बस जल्दी कर दो मेरे लिए. So what shocks you more कि people क्या चीज़ के लिए aware नहीं है about food choices?
Okay, so first thing, the funny thing which client, I think you must also visited, if you are a nutritionist, you must also have asked the same thing कि कब तक follow करना है, ये diet कब तक follow करनी है, which is a common question, which I found it funny because nutrition is not a kit, right? It's a journey. It's for your lifetime. So if you're focusing on nutrition, that you have to follow for the lifetime. It's not a small remedy or a very it's not a magic wand which just gumaya and everything is possible. So the consistency should be there, and it's a journey.
सो जब आपके हिसाब से लोगों को आप जब डाइट प्लान देते हैं तो लोग फेल कहाँ हो जाते हैं?
Because it's the diet which they follow is not scientifically proven. They follow it themselves. They don't have knowledge where to stop, what to eat, what not to eat. So if you are planning if you're doing something without any guidance, definitely you will fail, because the motivation is also lacking.
So आप वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स के साथ भी काम करते हैं. What is a quick breakfast something or some quick tip or something you would give them कि just ये कर लो, this is your breakfast, ये कर लो, at least you will get the supplement that you require?
Yeah, that is a very good question. First, like for the working ladies, you can just go with a Greek yogurt, some nuts, as well as some fruits. Like it's a proper combination of protein, it's a probiotic, it's a magnesium, all the omega-3 is there. So it's a very good breakfast just in 5 minutes.
और जो मॉम्स बिजी होती हैं, बच्चों के लिए आप क्या बोलेंगी कि बच्चों के लिए इतना कर दो यार, ये ठीक है, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं कर सके लेकिन कम से कम इतना तो कर ही दो आप?
Yeah, for that it's a good smoothie that is best for the kids. Add some dates, add some fruits, add some almonds, and that's prepare a good smoothie that's very good for the kids, growing kids.
So Niharika, you also visit schools,
yeah,
correct? And you give them diet plans also, you coach them also.
Right.
So what is the most common mistake you find in today's जो बच्चे जो टिफिन्स लेके आते हैं या जो फूड हैबिट्स फॉलो करते हैं, what is a common mistake you find that मॉम्स को आप रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे, हमारे व्यूअर्स को रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि ये मत करो अपने बच्चों के साथ, इट्स ए ग्रोइंग एज एंड दिस शुड नॉट बी डन फॉर योर किड्स?
The frequent mistake which I notice that moms do and is in the school canteens is the sugar overloading. If you visit any school canteen also, it's all the shakes, smoothies, as well as it's the bakery products like muffins, donuts. The canteen is also full with that. And even the mothers, as a treat, they like their child to eat something sweet कि ठीक है चलो बच्चे को कुछ मीठा हो जाए, right? So I will like all the mothers, I will request all the mothers that yeah, treat is good once a while but not regularly.
So for the moms, कोई cool tip आप advise करोगे कि to give their kids a balanced diet, ये कर लो तो at least you know this will be good for your kid?
Yeah, that's the thing. Treat is once a week, it is good, but not regularly, and focus on the nutrition rather than on taste. Even our government has taken a very good initiative in the sugar board. Now the government is planning to put in all schools a sugar board so that we can just count the sugar calories what the child is eating.
Okay. And when it comes to women and men health, right, and nutrition, is it different or is it same कि जो मेल खा रहे हैं फीमेल को भी सेम खाना है, या there's something different about male and female nutrition and diet proportion that they should be having?
Yeah, men and women have a different dietary requirements as their hormones are different, as their reproductive. Like if we talk about the men, they have the testosterone that is especially for energy and the metabolic health. So and for women it's like the estrogen and the progesterone, they are fat storing hormones. And the reproductive health, if we talk about, like women go through the different phases, like it's the pregnancy, lactation, menopause, there are different stages and their requirement is different. So it's man and woman have a different requirements.
So as per the age also आप diet plan suggest करते हैं या it's the same for if it's women तो women का same diet plan होगा and if it's men तो same diet plan होगा?
Yeah, that's one thing funny when a woman comes and she is looking for a weight loss, we recommend a diet, go through this diet and it will be helpful for your weight. Then after 10 days she's coming and now my family सब लोग यही खा रहे हैं, my spouse is eating also the same food, मैं वही बना रही हूँ, now everyone is healthy, but they are not understanding what your goal is. Like same diet can't be similar for each and everyone, because what we are making is a personalized, tailor-made diet and according to your goal.
So we can say that as per your requirement, as per your age, as per your gender and your goal, your diet changes, your nutrition requirement changes?
Yeah, with the age, look, the metabolism slow down, the energy requirement is less, the gut is sluggish, the digestion is like not proper. So it depends. How can be it similar? So it's like customized for according to the age, according to the gender, according to the goals, according to the performance. It varies.
So now let's come to stress eating.
Right.
ठीक है, आज बहुत स्ट्रेस है, खा लिया. ऑफिस में बहुत स्ट्रेस है, कुछ भी खा लिया. घर पे थक गए हैं, अब कुछ बनाने का मन नहीं है, कुछ भी खा लिया, ऑर्डर कर लिया. सो व्हाट डू यू डू इन टाइम्स व्हेन यू आर स्ट्रेस और व्हेन यू डोंट हैव टाइम? इज इट द राइट थिंग टू डू, और हंगर को कंट्रोल कर ले या कुछ खाए ही नहीं, आज फास्ट कर लेते हैं, स्ट्रेस है बट खाते नहीं है क्योंकि हमें जंक नहीं खाना है,
Right.
या फिर स्ट्रेस है तो कुछ मॉडरेशन में खाए. व्हाट वुड यू सजेस्ट फॉर इमोशनल एंड स्ट्रेस ईटिंग?
Number one tip is when you're having stress, just sit and relax. Take 2-3 deep breaths. So it is a immediate because gut and brain is all related. Right? When you are taking deep breathing, your mind is getting relaxed. So that is a simple tip. Then you will then think whether it's your craving or it's your whether you are actually hungry. And the second simple tip is just sip some herbal teas. It can be that you are not hydrated well, so drink some water, sip some herbal teas. That is helpful to maintain the stress eating and the cravings.
एंड लेट नाइट क्रेविंग्स जो होती है, चलो बैठे हैं मूवी देख रहे हैं, मूवी देखते देखते कुछ खा लेते हैं. राइट, ये भी बहुत होता है आजकल कि नेटफ्लिक्स कुछ लगा लिया, कुछ देख रहे हैं, चलो कुछ लेकिन चिप्स का पैकेट खोल के बैठ गए या कुछ कर लिया. सो टाइम्स लाइक दिस, व्हाट यू डू? व्हाट इज द राइट फूड दैट वी शुड हैव when you're eating late night?
Late night, the best thing is go to bed on time. So you will not have any late night cravings. But if you're doing a binge watching, definitely the cravings must be there. So again, eat something healthy, like have the herbal teas, focus on like some sleep enhancers, like eat some nuts which are magnesium rich. So have some chamomile tea which will help to maintain your sleep pattern.
So is your sleeping and your digestion connected? Is it interrelated? Like your gut health जो हम बोलते हैं कि टाइम पे सोना, टाइम पे उठना, digestion gets better.
Correct.
So is it true or it's just a myth?
Yeah, there is a biological clock of the body. That's why pehle kehte the early to bed, early to rise. If you're waking up at the same time, you're feeling hungry on the same time. That is the thing. So if you're sleeping late, your biological clock get disturbed. Right? And if your gut is not good, it releases stress hormones, like that is and the inflammation is there. So cortisol hormones releases. So again that you will be feeling hungry, either you will not be able to sleep proper. Similarly, the gut hormones like deal with the serotonin and melatonin. They are the hormones which is especially for the sleep hormones. So if your gut is imbalanced, your inflammation is there, definitely your sleep will be impacted.
So Niharika, when you give diet to your clients, ठीक है, आप diet plans देते हो, tailor made भी देते हो, they feel like weekend तो हमें थोड़ा break मिलना चाहिए. Like weekdays तो हमने कर लिया, we followed strict diet, हमने जो था उसमें खाया. Weekend तो यार family के साथ है, घूमने जा रहे हैं, लेकिन we want to relax, 2 दिन तो हमें छुट्टी लेनी है. So what do you feel कि 7 days follow करना है या weekend binge आप कर सकते हो?
Weekend binge is good, but not daily binge, definitely no. But weekend binge is good because that helps with your motivation and your mood, because you need to be happy also. But the portion control is the important thing if you are binging, and try to balance the day. Like if you are binging in the morning, have the dinner a bit light, and lunch is much better than the dinner for a binge.
So you can go out for lunches and थोड़ा workout कर लो.
Definitely yes.
Okay, so Niharika, you're also a diabetic educator. Okay, so when it comes to diabetes in today's time, बोलते हैं कि sugar मत खाओ, ठीक है. So is it like कि बिल्कुल sugar हमें खाना ही नहीं है, या moderation में we can have it? Like how do you guide and educate your diabetic patient or any regular kids के लिए भी आजकल diabetes, like childhood diabetes आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा common हो रहा है, या फिर pregnancy में diabetes हो गया है. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट डू यू से कि आपको शुगर खानी ही नहीं है, बिल्कुल शुगर अपने डाइट से निकाल ही दो, या ठीक है थोड़ा थोड़ा आप खा सकते हो? व्हाट इज योर से ऑन
Sugar,
दैट?
the natural sugars are good. I never ask my clients or patients to stop the natural sugars. Like if they are having the cravings, they can have fruits, date, raisins, organic honey. There are many options to just stop the cravings, as well as the natural sugars are quite healthy. It's no issues to have the natural.
But artificial sugar, like the white sugar that's available in
Correct.
market,
That is
should
in the
be.
limited form. Better instead of white sugar, jaggery is much better option. But yeah, the portion control is always should be followed.
तो जो वेट लॉस जर्नी है, बिकॉज डायबिटीज़ में या तो सडन वेट लॉस हो जाता है या सडन वेट गेन हो जाता है, सो can you give them a diet without it being boring? Because if you are diabetic, you know these patients have lot of food and sugar cravings, right? Tabhi eventually they've landed up
Yeah.
to this point. So can you, like, do you give them a diet which is not very boring for them to follow and they keep following it also, और अच्छा अच्छा कुछ खा रहे भी है एंड लाइक शुगर भी उनका कंट्रोल में आ रहा है?
Right.
सो डज इट वर्क आउट लाइक दैट?
Yes, definitely. Because like anything which you can prepare with the millets, there is nothing which you can't prepare with the millets, or you can't prepare a salad, a healthy salad, and a tasty salad. Right, with nutrition, taste, and like portion control, everything, if it is in balance, you can easily control the diabetes.
बट मीठा तो चाहिए प्लेट में, उनको आप क्या बोलोगे?
Look, that depends. Have fruits. If you have too much of craving, add cinnamon. If you're having a fruit, add some nuts or seeds along with that. It do not give you the insulin spike. It balance your insulin. So that's the simple tip.
सो यू कैन से दैट इज डायबिटिक्स जो आप करते हो, इज इट कम्प्लीटली रिवर्सिबल और इट्स नॉट रिवर्सिबल?
That depends, like which type of diabetes you have. Like
So it can be reversible with good
Yes.
diet control.
Yes.
So along with good diet plans and good eating habits, timely eating habits, do you also coach them to do something else, like something in fitness या regarding workouts or exercise, और बस आप बोलते हो कि diet आप maintain करो, time पे सो जाओ?
Look, if I talk about diet, like people are focusing just not only on diet, they are focusing on weight. That's the now the new trend is just they are focusing on weight, not the other parameters, right? So if I talk about weight, is just a puzzle in your health journey. So we do the lifestyle coaching. That means we deal with the stress, we deal with the exercise, we guide them with the like each and every parameters, like along with the diet, because it's all interconnected. One thing can't help you, right? If your weight is fine but you're not healthy, you can see many people there and their weight is fine according to the age, according to the height, the weight is good, but they are sick. So the nutrition, the health, that means that you have to be healthy, you have to be fit, not that you have to be like very slim or underweight.
अच्छा, so Niharika, any transformation story that you have done over the years over the span of 20 years?
Yeah.
ठीक है, ऐसी कोई ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन स्टोरी है where the person was completely like कि अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता मेरा, like health was really bad and they came to you emotionally very down, health wise very down, and where you felt that I want to help this person, and you changed that person 360 degree, जो एक स्टोरी कोई आपके साथ हमेशा रह गई हो, ऐसा कुछ?
Yeah, like one of my friend, she got married and she was facing issues to conceive, right? And she was really getting depressed, and she was she tried each and everything. Then she came to me that I'm having the PCOS, how to deal with that. Then I gave the diet, she followed the medication, and it's come out good.
सो लाइक 20 ईयर्स में तो आपने बहुत क्लाइंट्स देखे होंगे, बहुत क्लाइंट्स की आपने लाइफ चेंजिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन किए होंगे. सो डू दे एवर कम टू यू लाइक डॉक्टर आज आपके वजह से लाइफ इज़ बिकम लाइक सो गुड?
They don't come, yeah, but I received the messages like, yeah, it was helpful when they fit in their old jeans. That's the best thing when I
think usually that's the goal, कि old jeans में हम fit हो जाए.
Correct. So that's the best thing when they tell that now I'm fitting in my old jeans. That is the it's award winning
motivational factor for them and for you as well, that I'm doing a good work for everyone. So you also do athletics, sports and athletics, nutrition भी आप हो. So what is different in their diet plan, in their routines, that जो एक common person के उसमें नहीं होता है?
A common person, the calorie requirements are different. Athletes, each and every sports have a different requirement for the nutrition. It depends on their endurance, their strength, their performance, their goals. It depends. The diet depends on their performance and goals.
So when you also working on marathon and cycling
Yeah.
sports people, so when they're going for like the marathon, so what is like a quick bite that they can have for having like that full of energy to do the marathon, or like complete a race or complete an event that they're participating in?
Yeah.
What would you suggest them? Ki just have this in your bag.
First of all, it's a long process. First, they need to prepare their body for the marathon as well as if any sports or cycling. But yeah, if you ask me, just a quick tip, they should any isotonic drink like with the sodium and carbohydrate if it is there, right? Before 90 minutes, it's good to replenish and hydrate them. That's good.
You also work with cancer and oncologist patients, right? So, is diet and the nutrition that you provide them, is it like part of their healing journey? Ki ye karte karte, because they're very emotional, they're very vulnerable when they're going
Right.
through the treatment, and they come to you ki for the good diet plan. So, how do you help them? How do you guide them? And what is it that you do for them that really helps them, like in this journey, which is like a very stressful journey at that point, जब वो go through कर रहे होते हैं through the treatment?
Yeah, look, that I will like to tell each and every cancer who is going through the cancer, either cancer treatment, that the diet is very important, because usually they neglect the diet. First, they are taking the medication, everything they are doing in routine, but the diet, which I noticed, that is completely neglected. So yeah, diet plays a very important role, because whether the illness, either whether the treatment, like which the treatment they are going on, whether it's radiation, chemo, somehow impact their appetite. I noticed that the patients have the muscle wasting, weight loss, nausea issues, their nutrient deficiencies are there. So if the food is not right, medicine is of no use, because it goes simultaneously. If you're deficient in anything, if your weight is, you are losing weight and still you are going through all the treatments, the recovery process slows down.
So for these cancer patients, what is like a superfood कि ये खा लो, कुछ नहीं खा पा रहे हो, nausea हो रहा है,
Yeah.
like you're going through health issues, इतना खा लो, कम से कम इतना तो खाओ ही आप दिन में. What is like that superfood that you would advise every cancer patient, like any viewers जो भी उनके family में किसी के पास कोई go through कर रहा है cancer treatment, what would you suggest कि ये superfood आप खाओ ही?
Yeah, that can't be a single superfood which can fit to each and every cancer patient. Yeah, but there are foods which are rich in antioxidant, like the berries. If I say, they are good in polyphenols, they deal with the free radicals. If I talk about turmeric, like it have the curcumin, which is again the anti-inflammatory.
So हल्दी वाला दूध पी सकते हैं if you are going to
That
cancer
depends on the condition, if the patient is not lactose intolerance, if how the treatment is going on, because as I mentioned that each and every cancer patient is different, the symptoms are different, the body, how the body is responding is different, so they need a tailor-made.
So
and
berries,
personalized
I would
diet.
say that berries is a safe option if they can have.
It's not like berries is a safe option, because many times the patients are on a low residue diet. Fruits are fibers are there in berries, so it depends. Sometimes they are on neutropenic diet, we can't give anything raw. So that's I'm mentioning, each and every cancer patient is different, how the body is responding, what treatment they are going on. So yeah, do not try, do not follow any Google trends, either just आपके relative ने कुछ कहा, either friends ने कुछ कहा, and just don't follow blindly. Visit a nutritionist, that's very important.
So when it comes to like hormonal issues, like say like a cancer patient or a PCOS patient or a thyroid patient, so हर किसी के लिए you would say like a tailor-made plan is the only option.
Yeah, because the PCOS, diabetic, thyroid, these are the metabolic disorders. So yeah, it's a tailor-made. One diet can't fit in everyone. Like one shoes can't fit everyone. That's
Okay. Yeah, because आज के टाइम में क्या होता है ना कि कैंसर है, घर पे किसी को कैंसर है, गूगल कर लो, हाँ ये चीज़ें खा सकते
that's
हैं,
what
ये
I
प्रॉब्लम है,
mentioned,
गूगल
yes.
कर लो, खा लो. But you would not advise going and doing that.
right. I will not advise.
So, निहारिका, you can tell me one thing कि हर किसी के pantry में ये 3 चीज़ें तो होनी ही चाहिए. What would that be? If you want to follow good healthy diet.
Right. I will just give tips about some herb and spices. The best thing is the turmeric, like that is anti-inflammatory. So it should be there, whether it's the fresh one, आप हल्दी यूज़ कर रहे हो या तो आप organic powder हल्दी यूज़ करो, that is also good. The second one is cinnamon because that helps to maintain your insulin resistance. And the third is the fennel seed, which helps with the digestion.
Okay, so ये 3 चीज़ें आपको रखनी है, हल्दी,
cinnamon as well as the fennel seeds
and fennel seeds, सौंफ.
Yeah, सौंफ.
ये 3 चीज़ें हर किसी के किचन में होनी ही चाहिए and try to use it every single day for a good healthy body. Like it will help your gut, it will help your nutrition requirements. Men, women, kids, everyone can follow this. Okay. So Niharika, 3 non-negotiable things that you would say ki don't negotiate this in your daily routine or in your life.
The first thing is keep yourself hydrated. Water, which is very important. लोग क्या करते हैं, सुबह पानी पी लेते हैं, the rest of the day they are working so that they miss it. The first thing is keep yourself hydrated. That is my first tip. The second tip is sleep. That is very, very important. That try to have 7 to 8 hours of sleep. And the third thing is stress management. If your stress is managed, like if you're not having any stress, your overall body will be good.
And one health tip that fits one and all.
Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Drink water. That's one thing. It boosts your metabolism. It keep your energy levels good. It maintain your gut. So the best tip is just hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Yeah.
So let's go on to some fun questions, Niharika. बहुत आपने insight दिया अभी, like you gave a lot of good insight about health, patience, athletics and everything. थोड़ा fun करते हैं हम, okay? निहारिका, कोई ऐसी फूड आइटम बताओ जो बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर हाइप्ड है इन द नेम ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, जो आज के डेट में लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं, एंड यू वुड नॉट एडवाइस, यू वुड लाइक मत करो यार, ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
The fat burners?
They're not safe.
Yeah, definitely they are not safe.
So according to you, chicken or paneer, which is a better protein option?
For veg, it's paneer. For non-veg, it's chicken.
And any guilty pleasure that you secretly enjoy? ऐसी कोई चीज़ जो आपको खाना तो अच्छा लगता है लेकिन अपने पेशेंट्स को आप एडवाइस नहीं करोगे कि यार ये खाओ आप?
Death by chocolates.
Death by chocolate. You love chocolates.
Yeah.
Salad or paratha? What's your favorite choice?
Paratha, but yeah, once a week.
That's good, Niharika. So Niharika, एक food myth जो आप तोड़ना चाहेंगे?
Don't pop up the supplements blindly.
Tea or green tea? What's more healthy?
Green tea.
निहारिका, वन सेलिब्रिटी क्लाइंट जिसके साथ आप काम करना चाहोगे?
Salman Khan. He's my favorite one, so I would like to work with him.
And give him some diet tips.
If he wants.
Okay. So Niharika, for youngsters, what will be your go-to answer when they are doing late night parties? So what would you tell them? Ki yaar, don't drink so much. Drink this much only. What would you suggest them?
First thing is be safe and don't mix the drinks.
Okay, that's a very good advice because आज के time पे youngsters they go for parties and they do not follow any particular alcohol or something, and we are seeing a lot of accidents and mishappenings in today's time. So yes, drink carefully and don't drink too much. That's the advice from a nutrition dietitian. So आज का जो एपिसोड था हमारा, हमें पता चल गया कि क्या खाना चाहिए, कब खाना चाहिए, कितना खाना चाहिए, the proportion, and the one thing that Niharika advised, that one diet does not fit all. You have to be very particular कि if you're going through some medical challenge or you're a sports athlete, या फिर आप कोई बच्चे हैं, बच्चों के लिए आपको कुछ गुड न्यूट्रिशन फॉलो करना है, तो गो टू अ गुड डाइटिशियन न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट एंड मेक योर टेलर मेड डाइट. डू नॉट फॉलो व्हाट इज़ अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन और सोशल मीडिया पे आपने कुछ फॉलो कर लिया. डू नॉट फॉलो सच डाइट्स, दे डू नॉट फिट टू एवरीवन. सो निहारिका, आज आपने बहुत ज़्यादा इंसाइट्स दी हमें अबाउट गुड डाइट प्लान्स, व्हेन टू ईट एंड स्लीपिंग पैटर्न्स कैसी होनी चाहिए, वर्कआउट हर किसी को करना चाहिए, from working moms to athletics to patients, and I think बहुत ज़्यादा clear आपने बताया है कि do not follow anything that's available. Do not just get supplements and have them without knowing the good effects and bad effects of it. So अगर हमारे viewers आपको reach out करना चाहे तो please tell them कि where are you available and how can they reach out to you?
Okay, follow my Instagram ID. It's ray.niharika, and like, subscribe, and share.
So Niharika, thank you for sharing all the diet tips and all the nutrition tips with our viewers today, where diet can be simple and easily followable and it's very doable कि आपके घर की चीज़ों से भी आप healthy diet follow कर सकते हो. आपको market में available supplements या कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा heavy items खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And viewers, do follow her on her Instagram ID if you are going through some conditions, and she will guide you and she will advise you what is the right thing to have at the right time. And thank you for connecting with us today at yet another episode of Unfiltered Gyan with Tina, जहाँ पे हमने निहारिका से बात की बिल्कुल रॉ अनफिल्टर्ड दिल से, और उन्होंने कुछ अच्छी अच्छी टिप्स भी दी है आप लोगों को जो आप घर बैठे भी फॉलो कर सकते हो. एंड डू फॉलो माई यूट्यूब चैनल The Unfiltered Gyan with Tina and our Instagram handle also. Like, share and subscribe and join us in the next episode जहाँ हमारे साथ और एक नए गेस्ट आएंगे जो और भी अच्छी अच्छी बातें करेंगे, which will be very unfiltered और दिल से जो आपको टिप्स भी देंगे और आपको कुछ ना कुछ नए नए एडवाइसेस मिलेंगे उनसे. So thank you so much and stay tuned. Bye.